simplify habits for healthy you. So there are two important words which I wanted to keep in the title. One is simplify and other is habits. So because I wanted to write something which is simple to understand, and that is why the word simplify. Because there are many things which confuses us in terms of health and everything. So I just wanted to write whatever I have experienced in a simple manner. No theory, whatever I have implemented and whatever worked for me, that I wanted to write so that you can relate with me. And I have very transparently shared my story, how I got from unhealthy to healthy, so that you can relate to it and people can benefit from it. And habits. So I came to know about habits in later part of my journey, and I know because of that how much I have struggled in this journey. But fortunately, I was able to discover and implement whatever habit science and human behavior teaches us, and it has made my journey very smooth in the later phase of this journey. And actually, this started in last year when Corona and lockdown happened. So there were two options which we had. One is stay away from Corona, and one is to become strong and healthy so that you can fight with Corona. So I also followed the first option, but I more consciously focused on the second option to build a healthy life for myself so that I do not need to be fearful like so many people were. So I focused on that, and I started developing healthy habits. And within few months, I was able to see the drastic change in my life because of those healthy habits. And I was able to experience those benefits. And when I did that, then I became more and more interested into this. And that actually inspired me to share this with others so that they can also benefit. Because there is a huge difference when you follow unhealthy lifestyle and when you follow healthy lifestyle. There is a huge difference in the experience we experience our life. So that is what inspired me to write this book and share with you. And I wanted to actually talk to people just like me through this book, because we all have big dreams in our life, but we are not able to give our best. And because of that, we are not able to achieve our dreams. And why we are not able to give our best? Because our body and mind is not supporting us, because we are not taking care of it. We are not health conscious. So that was stopping me for a very long time to achieve my dreams. And when I was able to develop healthy lifestyle and experience good health, then my everything improved in my life. Productivity, efficiency. My mind was more in my control. My thinking was I was more focused. Energy, active, being active. So everything improved. And that is why I wanted to share this with everyone so that it can benefit you in achieving your dreams. And what happens is that we study hard, we work hard, and we create a good life for ourselves. But when we ignore our health, then what happens? Uh, you have everything, but then you need to make trips to hospitals and spend lots of money there. Rather than you can spend your quality time with your family at beautiful places in the world. You can use your wealth and everything for a good purpose, for the contributing others. But when you are you fall into disease, then your life changes. You are not able to contribute for others and even for your own life and your family. So that was one fear within me earlier, and I wanted to get over it. So that's why I choose to build healthy lifestyle for myself, and I know that it can help everyone. And fortunately, I was able to help my family, my wife, for developing healthy habits, and they were able to come out of health issues. So that gives me great satisfaction that we can help our loved ones, our family members, so that they can also live healthy and more beautiful life. So that is one thing I want to share with you all, so that you can also help your family members. And in this book, I have created a very simple 5-step process. Using that step by step, you can reach to your destination of good health without any struggle. So first is prioritize your health. Why should you prioritize your health? Second is learning about habits, how to build successful habits. That is very important. Then comes seeking clarity of mind. When we have clarity in our mind, then it helps us in better action. Then listening to your body. Our body is very intelligent. It knows everything and it gives us signals. We just need to observe, listen to it, and then implement on it. That is the best guide which you can have in your life, our body. And then comes elements of healthy lifestyle. What all things we need to do, and these are very simple things, and we know about them actually, because we are very lucky to live in this country, India, because our grandparents and earlier to that, people have been following healthy lifestyle, and there is a very vast knowledge related to health in Ayurveda, yoga, so for thousands of years. So we are very fortunate to live in this country. We just have forgotten these things in last few decades, and now we need to bring it to everyone and follow them. Very simple steps we can implement, and we can live a good healthy life. There is no nothing complex we need to do. And I'm very passionate, and I just love this country. And I wanted to do something which can help this country grow in a better way. And today, if we see in last 30 years after 1990, globalization happened. Economically, we have grown, but if you see, diseases has increased. It was 37% deaths because of lifestyle diseases in year 1990, but it is 61% now. So it has increased drastically. So we know that there is something wrong and it needs to be corrected. And if we do not take care of it, then it is going to become a very big barrier in the growth of our country. So that's why I am very passionate to contribute for this purpose. And let me tell you that everyone wants good health. You also want good health. And if you are not able to do it, it's not your fault. Many people think that something is wrong within them, but nothing is wrong with you. It's not your fault. It's just the way you try to improve your health. That is what is stopping you. So you just need to find the right way and follow that. You will be very able to very easily. You will be able to build very good health for yourself. And lastly, let me tell you this: that being a shy person, it was very difficult for me to come in public and speak about this. But I'm putting all my courage for this purpose, and I'm doing everything which I can to reach more and more people. But alone, I cannot do this. I need your support. Those people who resonate with my thoughts, you also need to take responsibility and share this with more and more people, so that people can benefit and they can live a healthy, happy, and more productive life. So that is what I want to share with you on this occasion. And thank you very much for being here and making this day more special for me. Thank you very much.